Have you ever pondered over the future of electronics and the possibility of gadgets that can repair themselves? Quite a thought to muse over, isn't it? The realm of electronics has been on a fast-paced journey, ever evolving, ever improving. From the first transistor to the latest quantum computer, this ceaseless quest for innovation has brought us to the brink of a new era. An era of self-healing electronics. Imagine gadgets with the uncanny ability to mend themselves when damaged. Sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, doesn't it? But hold on to your seats, because this futuristic idea is closer to reality than we might think. Researchers around the globe are tirelessly working on this concept, and their efforts are gradually bringing this dream to life. The future is knocking on our doors, and it's bringing along gadgets that are not only smart, but also remarkably resilient. Imagine a world where your electronic devices never break down because they can repair themselves. But how exactly do these self-healing electronics work? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating technology. To understand self-healing electronics, one must first gain a basic understanding of the materials that make these devices possible. These aren't your typical materials. These are smart materials designed to restore their own functionality when they're damaged. It's almost like they have a built-in survival instinct. At the heart of these materials are two key components: microcapsules filled with healing agents and conductive materials. Let's start with the microcapsules. These are tiny containers that hold a healing agent. When the material suffers damage, these microcapsules break open, releasing the healing agent onto the affected area. It's a bit like how our bodies release platelets to clot a wound when we cut ourselves. The second component is conductive materials. These are substances that allow electricity to flow through them. In the case of self-healing electronics, these conductive materials are essential for re-establishing broken circuits. When a circuit breaks, the conductive materials reconnect the circuit, restoring the flow of electricity. It's like a self-repairing highway for the electrons.